Hello, peace be upon you and peace be upon you. Peace be upon us all. Respect lecturers, moderators, and fellow seminar participants. Let me introduce myself. I'm Yudi Purnomo, student ID number 25060700100 from the Faculty of Sport Science, Semarang State University. On this occasion, I will discuss the results of a study entitled Systematic Review: The Effect of Achievement Motivation on Athlete Performance in Sepak Takraw. This study aims to comprehensively analyze how achievement motivation influence Sepak Takraw athlete performance based on published research findings. Sepak Takraw is competitive sport that demands physical, technical, tactical, and mental abilities simultaneously. Until now, improving athlete performance has often focused on physical and technical aspects. However, various studies have shown that physiological factors also play a crucial role in determining an athlete's success. One of the most influential physiological factors is achievement motivation. Achievement motivation is the drive within an athlete to achieve specific goals, improve their abilities, and achieve their best. However, research specifically examining the relationship between achievement motivation and Sepak Takraw athlete performance is still relatively limited. Therefore, this study was conducted to provide a more comprehensive picture through a systematic literature review approach. This research has two main objectives. First, to determine the influence of achievement motivation on the performance of Sepak Takraw athletes. The second, to identify the factors that influence achievement motivation and its impact on athlete performance and development. This research is expected to provide scientific information that can serve as a basis for developing more effective athlete development program. This research used the systematic literature review or SLR method with PRISMA guidelines article were searched through several scientific databases including Scopus, Cinta, Google Scholar, Elsevier, and ResearchGate, with publication spanning from 2015 to 2025. In the initial phase, 200 articles were identified. After a process identification, screening, and selection based on inclusion and exclusion criteria, 5 articles were identified that met the requirement for future analysis. The data obtained were then analyzed using narrative synthesis and thematic analysis techniques. Based on the result of synthesis of 5 analysis article, it was found that achievement motivation has significant influence on sepak takraw athlete performance. Athletes with high achievement motivation tend to demonstrate the first better training, consistency, higher technical mastery, ability to make better decisions during match, strong mental resilience, ability to better manage competitive pressure. Furthermore, one study showed a strong relationship between motivation and athlete performance, with a correlation value of R 0.589 indicating a fairly strong positive relationship. This finding indicate that achievement motivation directly contribute to improving the quality of athlete performance. The research also identified several factors that influence sepak takraw athlete achievement motivation. Internal factors include 1. Desire to achieve, 2. Self-confidence, 3. Goal orientation, 4. Mental resilience. External factors include 1. Coach support, and 2. Team support, 3. Playing opportunities, 4. Training environment, 5. Family support, 6. Financial situation, 7. Opportunities for athlete career development. The research also found that sepak takraw athletes tend to have fairly dominant extrinsic motivation, such as social recognition, team loyalty, and shared achievement goals. In general, the result of this study indicate that achievement motivation serves as the primary driving force that drives athletes to continue training, improve their abilities, and maintain their best performance. High motivation helps athletes remain disciplined, focused, and able to cope with the pressure of competition. Therefore, improving athlete performance is not only achieved through physical and technical training, but must also be accompanied by developing psychological aspects, particularly achievement motivation. In other words, athlete success is the result of integration of physical, technical, tactical, and psychological abilities. Based on the result of the systematic literature review, it can be conclude that achievement motivation has positive and significant influence on sepak takraw athlete performance. Achievement motivation contributes to increased training consistency, mastery of technical skills, mental deadlines, the ability to cope with competitive pressure, and sporting achievement. Furthermore, achievement motivation is influenced by various internal and external factors that must be considered in the athlete development process. Therefore, sepak takraw development program need to integrate psychological development as a crucial component is sustainably improving athlete performance. That conclude my presentation regarding the research the influence of achievement motivation on athlete performance in sepak takraw. Thank you.